Hello and welcome back to the Site Manager Design video series. In this video I'm going to show you how we are going to use the structure that we built in the previous video and start changing the style of the elements that we installed as well as the style that we installed. First, let's take a look at the elements. With the elements I mean the logo and navigation, the hero slider, the content, and the columns, the footer columns that we added on the bottom of the page. For example, we see that this navigation menu is a little bit too close to the top and we would like to change it that it goes a little bit down. We click the green style button next to the logo and navigation element and we get a list of all options that we can change. If you see a green exclamation mark, that means that there are already changes behind that option. Let's go to navigation settings. Dimensions, and here we see that margin is already open and that the top is 0 pixels. So if we change it to 12, you'll see that in real time the navigation bar has jumped down and is more in the middle. We like what we see and we click the save button. If you like to enable other properties, you simply click the on-off button and change them and save them. In a future video, I'm going to show you the 10 most common libraries that we use in the system and go into detail how they work, what you can change, etc. This is just an overview video. Let's go back to the starting page. We can change the elements, but we can also change the style that we installed in the beginning of the project when we had to pick a style, or if we install a theme there will already be a style installed. Now the styling contains a lot of elements like tiles, block quotes, horizontal line, the headers, buttons, text selection, content, etc. We can click this button on the top, which takes us to all these elements. Or we can click on the green buttons next to it. For example, if we want to change the header 1, we simply click the button. If we would like to change the text property, we click text. And here we're going to change the, for example, the font family to another font, and you see once again in real time how it changes, and we can click save if we want to save it. If we don't like to save it, we simply disable it, click save, and nothing has changed. Sometimes you'll see blue buttons next to the elements. So for example, if we click it, you'll see that there's a lot of functionalities that have to do with the elements. If you want the submenu to have a different animation on open, change the speed, this is where you will look. So everything that has to do with functionalities is behind the blue button. Everything that has to do with styling is the green pencil button. If you would like to delete an element from the structure, you simply click the delete button. This is it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you more in depth about how we can publish our layout and use it in the CMS system. Thanks for watching.